Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what is going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are your energies, Taurians. What are your energies? So we have the Temperance on your side. Okay, so let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. Okay, the Page of Pentacles. The most likely outcome in this situation is the Hermit. Okay, so on your side we have the Temperance. So definitely you are trying to sort out things, you are trying to balance things in this relationship or within your life, whatever it is. But definitely you are behaving in a very, very balanced way, at least trying to do so. Moderating the situation, dealing with patience and stuff like that. As far as your person is concerned, we have the Page of Pentacles. So maybe there is a age difference between both of you. Can be that. Else this is a step forward. This is a small step forward in a direction of, it's like the offer they are giving is a permanent one or a stable one, but then maybe it is a small step forward in that direction. For the most likely outcome, we have the Hermit. So somebody here is trying to look for answers within. Somebody here is being very, very intuitive and trying to find some solution regarding something. Let's see what that is. Let's clarify these cards. Let's see what is this Temperance on your side. Why is this Temperance on your side, Taurians? So for the Temperance we have the Eight of Swords. Okay, oh, the Nine of Swords and the Magician. Okay. So let's see what is this Page of Pentacles. Why is this Page of Pentacles on your person's side? Let's clarify this Page of Pentacles. So for the Page of Pentacles we have the Hangman, the Knight of Pentacles and the Two of Swords. Okay. The Five of Pentacles. Okay, let's see what is this Hermit. Why is this Hermit here as the most likely outcome for Taurians? Let's clarify the Hermit. So for the Hermit we have the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Wands, okay, and the Page of Cups with the Emperor and the Empress. Okay, that and the Ace of Cups. Just pulling cards extra. So Taurians, this is what you are trying to moderate. You actually want a new beginning here, and you are dealing with a lot of anxiety, lot of sleepless nights, lot of overthinking. There is something which is holding you back. There is some sort of a fear, some sort of reluctancy in stepping out or stepping forward, I should say. So there is a hell lot of anxiety, a hell lot of overthinking, past experiences really holding you back. It's not, you're trying to move forward in life basically, but the thing is you're not able to do so. And with the Magician being there, you actually want to move forward, you really want a new beginning in life, but there is something which is really, really holding you back. You are trying to sort out the balance in your own life. That's what I feel. You're trying to deal with this anxiety, you're trying to deal with this issue, whatever it is which is bothering you, in quest of wanting a new life, in quest of wanting a new beginning. So it is a huge deal of inner work which you are doing. There's something which is really really bothering you. You want to get rid of that stuff. You want a new beginning, and you're trying really hard to achieve that new beginning in your life. And one more thing is that it's been quite some time that you've been dealing with this situation. It's been quite some time that you are trying to come out of this situation. Maybe many seasons have passed that you've been dealing with such this situation, and you want to overcome it. You are trying all the ways and means to come out of this situation, or to come out of this anxiety, or whatever this reason is. You really want mental peace, basically, in quest of mental peace. But the Page of Pentacles, we have the Hangman, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. So this person here, I think the progress is really slow from this person's side. They are really taking small step forward, and you feel that the situation is stuck. Things are not moving forward. Maybe that is what is bothering you, or maybe something else is bothering you. So the situation is stagnant, basically. Maybe something is bothering you, and that is why the situation between both of you is stuck. It can be that, or there is something which is stagnant here. There is a stagnant energy. Things are not moving forward, and though love is there, things are there, everything is there, feeling is there, but the progress is very slow. The progress in the relationship is very slow, because this person is also trying to make up their mind regarding something. This person has a lot of abandonment issues. That's what I feel. They feel ignored and rejected. Maybe they have such sort of an history, so they are also maybe having a hard time taking a decision, or maybe they are fearful of the fact of opening up, and that is why they are taking small steps and moving forward. It can be that also, because this person is also having a history, I should say. Maybe they also have a long history, or a long path they have traveled, in which they have felt ignored and rejected. Okay. And maybe they are having a hard time opening up. So for some reason, this person is also very upset. This person feels rejected and ignored. I really don't feel that they are feeling rejected and ignored because of you, but maybe they have certain issues from the past, and that is why they are not able to open up very fast, and they have those issues of opening up, and that is why the situation is not moving forward as it should. And that is why the most likely outcome is the Hermit, because things are not moving forward. You are dealing with anxiety. They also have some trust issues or abandonment issues. They are not able to trust. So both of you are just trying to make a decision, or trying to come to a conclusion, trying to listen to your inner voice. So for the Hermit, we have the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Page of Cups. So definitely you want a new beginning. The decision or the inner solution, whosoever is trying to make up their mind, is regarding the fact that they really want a new beginning. They have love for you. Both of you have love for each other. So it is a decision which is being taken, obviously much more from one person's side, whosoever it is. But then definitely it is regarding, we have the Ace of Cups, the Page of Cups, the Ace of Wands. So definitely there is a lot of passion. There is a new beginning over here with the Ace of Cups and the Emperor and the Empress. So definitely it is, both of you are at the same page. It is a power couple. Both of you understand each other well. Both of you are really at the same page, with the Emperor and the Empress being there. So, and with the Ace of Cups. So definitely it is the want of a new beginning, because both of you want a new beginning, and that is what you are trying to look for the answers within. What decision should be taken? What should be done? How to deal with it? How to go about it? Something like that. So both of you are struggling to sort of, I should say, commit or open up, and both of you are thinking as to what should be the outcome. Though there is love, you want a new beginning, and the new beginning will be there. That's what I feel. The new beginning will be there. It's the only thing is the time is being taken to make a decision over here, with the Hermit being there. Let's see the additional message. Be willing to express love. Number 6 may be of some significance for you. Express love to receive love, and that is what it is coming up. It's really getting tough for somebody here to express love, and maybe both of you. So Taurians, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.